throw vinegar in the toilet, and minutes later you will be surprised by the result. This tip is simple, and using only one ingredient, you can perform the complete cleaning of your toilet. Ideally, remove the lid from the toilet bowl and put a quantity of vinegar directly in the water. Doing this way, the vinegar will act directly on the water and acting on the cleaning. The ideal is to leave in contact with water for a few minutes, thus bringing all the effect that vinegar can bring. We must use the discharge, and before that, we must also close the water register of the bathroom, thus preventing the reservoir from being filled again. Doing this way, we can perform the cleaning without the water getting in the way. Just by leaving in contact with vinegar for a few minutes, the dirt becomes much easier to be removed. We will only use a brush, making it easier to access in small places, and especially because it is ideal for removing small dirt. I'm sure you will thank me for using this way often. The bad smell that gets in your bathroom can be caused also by the lack of cleaning the toilet, and even the water used in the discharge already contains dirt and a bad smell. Doing so, we can remove all dirt, including the lid, and especially the bottom, where all the dirt is. And you will notice, even after cleaning, that when using the discharge, all dirt contained in the bottom will be removed easily. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Christy Green. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Many of these dirt will not come out easily, but as we are using vinegar, bactericidal cleaning is performed completely and avoiding all odors. Tell me later what result you got by using this tip in your home. I'm sure you will be impressed with the result. If you prefer, you can even use this water containing vinegar to perform the cleaning also on the toilet, requiring only the use of the brush again, and easily scrub until also remove the dirt from the toilet. We can already see that even the hidden dirt comes out easily. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.